This is Dr. Virgl with Becker Chiropractic, sharing a helpful exercise to counteract the bad posture that so many folks in our modern society have, with the forward head carriage that comes with everything we constantly do. We see it pretty commonly with folks that have chronic neck pain associated with it. So the exercise I'll be showing is called chin tucks. And what this exercise does is it builds up strength in the deep neck flexor muscles that help stabilize the spine, taking pressure off those other muscles that are constantly strained. So to perform a chin tuck, we first kind of get ourselves in a neutral position, and we bring our chin down just slightly, and then we think about pushing our chin straight back. And it's a pretty subtle motion. And we want to make sure that when we're doing this, we're not extending back, but rather getting neutral and going straight back with our chin. And I kind of, depending on how bad someone's posture is, how much pain they're currently in, I change the sets and reps with that. A good rule of thumb to kind of start with would be perhaps, start with 15, anywhere from 15 to 30, and try that 2 to 3 times a day.